Mabuhay, Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. Just some more film here from our trip. This is probably April 1st already, 2022. And we just entered the vegetable garden. I know Isa would like to have a vegetable garden someday, but this is a giant one. Very scenic, very peaceful, other than the sound of Isa's drone. Guess I can take my mask off for a while. They really do insist that you wear it here in the Philippines, even though we're out in 80 hectares of resort land. Wonderful nature coming down here. I think we apparently have been, yeah, now I recognize it. I think we were here the last time, got dropped off as part of a bus tour. Well, not really a bus tour, but a tour. Very nice up here. Eden Nature Park, Davao City, Philippines. I probably forget to say that. Isa's flying her drone a lot. A lot of beautiful scenery here in this vegetable garden. Nice place to take a photograph right here. Nature Park and Resort. So there's one other human being over there somewhere. I saw him. Otherwise, it seems like we're pretty alone here on this Friday. We're going to stay overnight. And there's Davao City, you'll see in the background as we approach this lovely spectacle. Many of you have probably been here. Okay, I'm going to show the city back there. I know it's a little hard to see, but that's the hustle and bustle. And then we got beautiful Eden Nature Park. It's beautiful, peaceful scenery. I think we'll sleep well tonight. No air conditioning needed up here in your cottages. And I hope you have a chance to be here at Eden someday. Very beautiful. I'll add this to my collection on YouTube for posterity.